Hello everybody, a warm welcome to today's video lecture. Today we will be talking about division. And I guess you have studied division in previous classes for quite a number of classes, so this topic is not new to you. And division is actually quite a broad topic. And out of that broad topic, we will be choosing a chunk. We will not be discussing the whole topic. We will rather be talking about a chunk. And in that chunk, our dividend will be numbers consisting of 5 digits, and our divisors will be numbers consisting of 3 digits. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the example. As you can see in the first example, we have been asked to divide 69738 or 69,738 by 245. So since the space available is not adequate, I am going to rub out the original example. Okay. As the first step in division, what we will have to do? We will have to write something that resembles two inverted brackets. And in between the inverted brackets, inverted first brackets to be more precise, we will be putting our dividend. So what is our dividend? 69,738. On the left side of our first inverted bracket, we will be putting our divisor. What is our divisor? Our divisor is 245. Now if I turn my attention to the divisor, what do I find, or what do we find? We find that the divisor consists of 3 digits, 2, 4 and 5. So since the divisor consists of 3 digits, we will pick up 3 digits from the dividend, starting from the extreme left corner. So if I pick up 3 digits, which digits will I pick? 6, 9, 7. And the number formed by these 3 digits is 697. Now the number so formed should be either equal to our dividend, should be either equal to our divisor or greater than that. But what happens even if after picking up these 3 digits, our number does not equal the divisor or is greater than that? Well, in that case, we are allowed to pick up successive digits. We are allowed to pick up successive digits and proceed towards the right until and unless we reach our desired goal. That is, until and unless the number so formed by our picking process becomes equal to the divisor or better than that. But we will cover that in the next example, don't worry. So, what is the number formed by picking up the 3 digits of the dividend? 697. So, now what's my next task? My next task is to find out a number such that it is either equal to 697 or as close to 697 as possible, but less than that. And how we are going to form that number? Well, we will select certain multipliers, single digit multipliers, and multiply it with 245 and then see which number becomes as close to 697 as possible. So let's start. Let's pick up 2. So after having picked up 2, what number do I get? Let's carry out the multiplication. 5 times 2 gives us how much? 10, 0. Carry 1, 4 to 8 plus 1, 9, 2 to 4. Well, seems a good choice, 490, but let's see whether we can proceed closer. So for that, let's pick up one more step, 245 into 3. What do I get? 5 times 3 gives me 15, carry 1, 4 times 3 gives me 12, 12 plus 1 gives me 13, carry 1, 3 6 plus 1, 7. So 735 is clearly not our choice. 490 is the number we should be putting beneath 697. So let's put that. So let's put 490. Let me clear this out to give me more space. After having put 490, what we will do? Well, we will have to subtract, but before that, what number when multiplied by 245 gave me 490. It's 2. We'll put 2 on the right side of the second inverted bracket. Okay. After having put 490 within 697, what we will do? We will subtract 490 from 697. So let's do that. It's a very easy task. 7 minus 0 gives me 7. 9 minus 9 gives me 0. 6 minus 4 gives me 2. So after this step, we will select one number from the remaining 2 digits that are left. So 3 and 8 are left, so we will bring down 3 first and see whether the number so formed is either equal to 245 or bigger than that. We can see clearly that the number so formed 2073 is bigger than 245. So we don't need to carry out any more steps. I don't need to bring down any more number and stuff. Okay. So the number so formed is 2073. We will repeat what we have done in the first step. Meaning, I will try to form a number through multiplication with 2445. That gives me another number which is either equal to 2073 or close to 2073 as possible. So 245 times what gives me 2073? I think I have to choose a big number. So let's do that. Let us choose 245 times 8. 8 times 5 gives me how much? 8 times 5 gives me 40. There is 0 over here. We'll carry 4 over here. 8 times 4 gives me 32. 32 plus 4 gives me 36. I'll carry 3 over here. 8 times 2 gives me 16. 16 plus 3 gives me 1960. Seems a good choice. But in order to put this choice on a firm footing, let us carry out one more step. Or let us carry out one more try. So let me multiply 245 by 9. What do I get? 9 ones are 9, and 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, and 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45. I put 5 over here, carry 4 over here. 9 times 4 gives me how much? 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 4 gives me 40. I put 0 over here and 4 over here. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 4 gives me how much? 22. 2205. 2205 is bigger than 2073. So this is not my choice. Rather, 1960 is my choice. So let me put down 1960. And what number when multiplied by 245 gives me 1960 is 8. So we'll put 8 this side, this 2 over here in the portion reserved for quotient. So after putting 1960, what to do? The same process. We will subtract 2073 minus 1960. So let's do that. 3 minus 0 gives me 3. 7 minus 6 gives me 1. This is actually not so. This is 10. 10 minus 9 gives me 1. Carry it over here. I get a 0. So my residue after subtraction is 113. Okay. After 113, what to do? Well, carry out the last digit remaining, which is 8. Let's carry it down. What number is formed? 1138. So now what to do? The steps which we have done previously. We'll have to find out a number through multiplication with 245. That gives me another number close to 1138, as close to 1138 as possible. So let's see. 245, we have done 2, we have done 3. Let's do 245 into 4. 5 4s are 20, 0, carry 2. 4 4 16 plus 2. 8 carry 1, 48 plus 1, 9. I think I have taken quite a small number. Let's try 245 times, well, let's try 245 times 6 first and see. 6 5 is 30, 0, carry 3. 6 times 4 is 24. 24 plus 3 gives me 27, carry 2. 6 to 12 plus 2 gives me 14. Too big. I think 1, 2, 4, 5 times 5 will do. 5 5s are 25, 5 carry 2, 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22 carry 2, 5 4s are 10 plus 2, 12. No, still big. I think we will have to choose the one we had already rubbed out, 245 times 4. Let's check it out. 245 times 4. 5 times 4 gives me 20. There is 0 here, carry 2. 4 4 is 16 plus 2. 18, carry 1, 48 plus 1, 9. So 980 seems a good choice, but let's repeat 245 into 5 in order to ensure that we have not committed an error. 5 times 5 gives me 25, 5 carry 2, 5 for 20 plus 2, 22, carry 2, 5 times plus 2, 12. Yeah. Our 980 is correct. So let me put 980. After putting 980, what to do we find? Well, let's carry out the subtraction process in order to see what we have found. 8 minus 0 gives me 8. 13 minus 8 gives me how much? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 5. Okay, when n plus 1, 10, n plus 1 gives me 158. Okay, let's see. 8 minus 0 gives me 8. 13 minus 8 gives me how much? 5. And 10? Yeah, so I'm right. It gives me 158. Okay, have I missed a step? Yes, I think I've missed this last step. What gives me 980? Probably 4. Let me check it out. Yeah, it gives me 4. Okay, we have reached 158. Now 158 is actually smaller than 245. So 158 is our remainder. So our division process has terminated over here. Our division process has terminated over here. And we will now, as you can see, the board is fully cluttered up. I need to clear it out. So for that, we'll take a brief look and then. Welcome back everyone with our second example. In the second example, we have been asked to divide 38,500 by 687. So as usual, what we will have to do? Well, I have to actually rub out the original problem in order to give me a bit more of board space. So at first what we will do, we will write the dividend and then enclose it within two inverted brackets, and after that we will be putting our divisor on the left side of the first inverted bracket. So that is 687. Okay. Now since our divisor consists of 3 digits, how many digits? 3 digits. So I will pick up the first 3 digits of the dividend starting from the left. So what number do I get? I get 385. Now 385 is actually less than 687. So we are allowed to pick another digit. At first I will pick one digit to see whether the number so formed is either equal to 687 or bigger than that. Well, after picking out this 0, we see that the number we have got, 3,850, it's bigger than 687 and serves our purpose. So we need not pick any further. Now, 687 times what gives me 3,850. So let's do that in the rough. 687, well, seems 4 is a good choice. Let's carry out the calculation and see whether we are correct or not. 7 times 4 gives me 28. 8 carry 2. 8 times 4 gives me how much? 32. 32 plus 4. 32 plus 2 gives me what? 34. 4 carry 3. 6 for 24 plus 3 gives me 27. Well, let's carry it out again. 7 for the 28. 8 carry 2. 32 plus 2. 32 plus 2, 34, 4, carry 3, 24 plus 3, 2748. Seems a good choice, but as a check, let's multiply 687 by 5. 7 5s are 7 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3 are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5 35, 5, carry 3. 8 5s are 8 1s are 8, 8 2 are 16, 8 3 are 24, 8 4 13, 40, 40 plus 3, 43, I will put 3, carry 4, 6 5 30 plus 4, 34. 5 seems an even better choice. So 3435. Yes, well, this seems a better choice, but in order to prove that this is our better choice, let's carry out one more step over here. Times 6, 7 6 are 42, 2 carry 4, 8 times 1 is 8, 8 times 2 16, 8 times 3 24, 8 times 4 32, 8 times 5 40, 8 6 are 48, 14 plus 4 52, 2 carry 5, 6 6 are 36 plus 5 39. Well, it's bigger. Let's ensure that it's bigger by doing it again. 7 6 are 42, carry 4, 8 are 48 plus 45, 49, 50, 51, 50, 2 carry 5, 36 plus, 36 plus 5 is even bigger. Well, let's be more careful. 7 1 7 7, 7 to 14, 7 to 21, 7 to 20, 7 to 35, 7 6 are 42, 2 carry 4, 8 1 are 8, 8 to 16, 8 to 22, 40, 40 plus 4. 49, 50, 51, 52, carry 5, 6 6 are 36 plus 5, 41. Yeah, it's even bigger than 3435. So, the number closest to 3850 but less than that is our 3435. So, let's write that. And what multiplied by 687 gives me 3435? It's 5. Let me write 5 more. Okay, let's rub that out. It's an awful lot of calculation. But no doubt rewarding. Okay, after this step, as usual, what we will do? We will subtract 3850. Sorry, we will subtract 3435 from 3850. So let's do that. 0, it's not 0, it's actually 10. 10 minus 5 gives me 5. Carry 1. 3 plus 1 gives me 4. 5 minus 4 gives me 1. 8 minus 4 gives me 4. Okay. 415. Now we will bring down this last 0, and the number so formed is 4140. Sorry, 4150. So what multiplied by 687 gives me a number close to 4150 as possible? Well, we have tried out, I think we have tried out 6, isn't it, previously? Let's try that out again. 7 6 for 2, carry 4, 8 6 are 8 1 8, 8 2 16, 8 2 24, 8 4 32, 48 48, 48 plus 4, 49 50 51 52, carry 5, 6 36 plus 5, 37 30 39 40 41, 4122. Seems a very good choice, but as usual, let's do one more step. Times 7. 7 1 7, 7 to the 14, 7 to 21, 7 7 is 49. I need to calculate that. 9 carry 4. 8 7 is 56. 56 plus 4 gives me how much? 60. 0 carry 6. 7 6 is 42. 42 plus 6 gives me how much? 42 plus 6 gives me 48. Let's check that out. 7 9, 8 4, 8 7, 4, 8 7, 56 plus 4. 6 is 0, carry 6, 7 2 plus 6, 48. Okay, so it's way bigger. This is not required. Our calculation ends here. So 687 times 6 gives me 4122. So as usual, we will subtract 10 minus 2 gives me 8. Carry 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3, 5 minus 3 gives me 28. Now, the residue 28 is actually smaller than 687. So, what we can conclude? We can conclude that 56 is our quotient and 28, being smaller than the divisor, is our remainder. Now, you can check whether this calculation is correct by carrying out, by actually putting the individual items in our famous formula, which is dividend equals to quotient times divisor plus remainder. So you will check whether quotient 687 is our divisor and quotient is 56. So what you will have to check is as follows. You will at first multiply 687 with 56 and then add with it 20, which is the remainder, and see whether that whole calculation equals 30,500. And in that way you would be sure that your calculation is correct and you have not made any error. So it has been a long video. Thank you for staying. Keep watching more videos on mathematics in the days to come. Bye bye.